All right, in this chapter, we're going to talk about how to activate technician time clock. Now, in our previous videos, you definitely saw how to enter hours worked against hours allocated, but that's just kind of a manual process. Somebody may have not actually clocked in and out of the job. Many times I see this in dealerships is where they're not looking at things like tech efficiency, proficiency, things like that, productivity. Every job gets 1 hour, and when they close it out, they put the hours worked as one. And that's fine. That's what a lot of dealers work off of. There's no judgment there, and that's why the default time clock is set up the way it is. If you're looking for something more detailed, you can talk about technician time clock, and I access this under the service module on the dashboard. And we can see here it's not set up. So when I click the tile, it's going to come and we're just going to cover the basic information here. I'm not going to go through a full demo of the product. This page kind of does it here. So you can see it's a new feature that allows techs to clock in and out while working on jobs. You can set hourly rates that can automatically be associated with each technician working on the job, which is what we saw earlier when we had technician rates that were set. It offers some new sections to view jobs per technician. You can see here in the background jobs that they're logged into, logged out to, how much their time is, things like that. There's easy edit clock in details and clock out. So if somebody's missed a stamp or they forgot to clock in, you as a manager can access it via an administration code to make quick updates. And we have a lot of reporting that you can do to find out information that's tied to all this time clock. In particular, we have the wasted time report and service, and this works well if you're using the dealership time clock as well because it will tell you exactly what their wasted time was. And wasted time is a automobile term where they're looking at, hey, you clocked in, I'm paying you for 8 hours. You only clocked in for 6 hours of jobs. What did you do with the other two? Things like that. So you can not only use the technician time clock, but you can use that in conjunction with the dealership time clock to get even better reporting. So if you're not using this feature, you can sign up for it yourself, or you can reach out to our team or account management. If you do want to do it yourself, you can click here. You can see a little bit of information. It's $50 a month. You can click that box right there, hit submit, and in about 24 hours, you'll probably have that time clock feature available. So again, it's a great tool to get way better reporting from your technicians. If you have more questions, you can reach out to our support team, but otherwise, you can see you can sign up right there from within DX1.